What is going on, everybody? My name is The Rose, and today we are going to be finally unboxing the Legend of Heroes Trails to Reverie, or Reverie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm going to be unboxing that for you guys today. I got it right here in this box, so we're going to unbox this momentarily, and yeah, we're going to check out this collector's edition. Now I did order the plushies with it, so hopefully I got the plushies because I don't feel like they're in here, but we're going to find out. Alright, so we have the box, and we're going to cut this box open right now. We're going to see what exactly is in here. I don't exactly remember everything that comes with this collector's edition, but like I said, I know I'm supposed to get 2 plushies because I paid for them. This collector's edition otherwise would have only been, I think, $129.99, I think. And they came to $190 after paying for the plushies, adding those on, which were editions. They weren't actually part of the limited edition, but you could add them if you wanted to. Now this thing came actually pretty late because I was supposed to get this on the 13th, which was last Thursday. Then it was supposed to come on the 15th, which was Saturday. Then it was supposed to come on then it was supposed to come today, which it did. Now the game originally came out 10 days ago, but it looks like I do have my plushies. I have plushies. I have 3 of them apparently. I thought I was only supposed to get 2. Let's take a look at these in a minute. Now we'll set them aside. And thankfully you guys really can't read that invoice. Let's get that out of here. And this box right here is a limited edition itself. So, yeah. Now, normally I have like a background so that the video looks like it's full screen, but I forgot to add one with this recording because when I zoom in, you know, on the package itself, which I actually could zoom in more, you know, for this package itself, but you know, I'm not going to mess with the camera anymore, but yeah, I have obviously when I zoom in the camera, I no longer am able to fit it in full screen, so that's why it looks the way it does. So we're going to cut this open now. We'll look at the plushies last, but yes, this game did come out 10 days ago. Normally, NIS Amrica, they ship early so that you get your pre-orders on time, but they were in the process of changing over to a new store and kind of screwed everything up. And on top of that, I sent them an email asking about my collector's edition, when they were going to ship this, and I got no response from their customer support email, so that's wonderful. You know what else is wonderful about being able to open this? There we go. Alright, so here it is. They put another invoice in there. Great. Okay. So here it is. The Trails to, I don't know if it's pronounced Reverie or Reverie, but yeah, here it is. So, that's the front. This is the back. Or rather, I should probably show it to you this way, right? Now, it'll be upside down otherwise when I flip the product. Obviously, that's the top. And then the bottom, just, you know, the bottom really doesn't say anything. Just says Falcom and NIS on it. So before we open this, why don't we look at the plushies? I got 3 of them. I don't remember which is which. I know one of them I think is supposed to be Lloyd Bannings. I don't remember the other two. This says NISAmerica.com. Let's see. Doesn't. Not for resale. Made in China. Great. Made in China. Alright. Ew, this feels dusty. Oh! This plastic feels dusty, guys. Ew, that's disgusting. Alright, well. What do we get in here? I guess we're just gonna put a hole in it like that. Alright, so here's our first plushie. Does this come off? This does come off. Okay. So here's our first one. Looks pretty cool. Interesting. Now this does come off. I could unbutton it to reveal the face. And there you go. So I actually could take the hood off. I could probably actually take this entire outfit off. But, why would I want to do that? No, I don't think I can. I think the rest of it's, yeah, the rest of it's sewn on. So you could take the hood off, and it looks like that. Or you can put the hood back on. Keep the hood on. And I guess that tucks in like that. There you go, yeah. And she looks like that. Or cover her with the mask. Or actually, this comes completely off. You don't even need this. You just take it off completely. There you go. Kind of like it more like this than with the mask part on. But it came with this, so we'll put it back on for now. Till, you know, just because it came with it and I don't want to lose it. Where is this one goes? Oh, wait. I put it upside down. Silly me. Silly me for putting it upside down. And one goes there. And the other one. There we go. So again, that's what it looks like, what she looks like with her hood and mask on. Pretty neat. I like it. This one wasn't double wrapped. The other one was, this one's not. I guess I open it this way, just at the... Rip the plastic open, I guess. I'll try to see if I can put it back in the plastic afterwards, but I don't know if I'll be able to salvage the plastic. Alright, we have another one. This one. Alright, this one, nothing comes off. Nothing comes off of him. Here's your second one. These plushies feel really nice. They're nice and soft. They're a decent size. Like the outfit. Looks like yeah, you can't wrap the outfit around him. Just barely doesn't fit. If the stomach was a little smaller, you'd probably be able to fit it. This is this one here. That's the second one. And then we got the third one. I believe this one is supposed to be Lloyd. This one says Lil Liberator Bannings. So yeah, I believe this one is Lloyd. It says Lil Plush Series. That's what it says on the bag. Lil Plush Series. These feel so dusty. You can tell these were probably made a while ago and just sitting in a warehouse. Ugh. Disgusting. And here's the third one. Again, they look really nice and soft. Nice detail in the outfits. And this one doesn't quite fit either. Looks like it almost can, but doesn't. Yeah, I like these. So you figure these were like $60, so each one is $20 a pop, which is probably about right. I wouldn't say they would cost more than that. I think that's about right. $20 a pop. So let's get into this now. The actual collector's edition of the game. I actually have Trails from Zero that came out in January, and I haven't even played it yet. I don't think the story of that game has anything to do with this one, so I could probably play this one without playing that one. But I'm still going to play it, obviously. Alright, before I was interrupted. Alright, before I was interrupted. We're opening this. So let's open it. Here we go. We got some stuff in here. Let's see the game case. It looks like a book in here. Steel bookcase. I love these steel books. Alright, so let's slide this stuff out. So there's your game. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. We got, I would imagine, is the CD soundtrack. Steel bookcase. Soft cover art book. Okay. Is that? No, that's not an art book. That's something different. It's a novel? What? That's the art book. And a print set. Wow. Actually, I think that's acrylic. Alright, so take a look at this stuff one thing at a time. This is an acrylic stand, I would imagine. It's definitely hard plastic. And that's the stand for it. Actually, that isn't a stand. That is a... They look like rods. Little rods. So we have the end and the beginnings acrylic print. We have this acrylic print. And then we have this. This is the hard plastic one. Oh, I see. So these did not... Oh, I don't need a knife. I could open this. Okay. So these two rods, do they extend outward? They do. Okay. So this is interesting. So they go in these holes. At least they're supposed to go in these holes. They don't exactly fit. So unless I have to unscrew this. Ah, there's a screw here. So you put the screw in the hole. Is it supposed to go the other way? I think it's supposed to go the other way. And then we screw this onto that. say. Yeah, this is makes it stand up. That makes sense. Interesting way to hold the screws, though. And there you have it. And that's how it stands up. When I flip this, though, it's going to look upside down, unfortunately, because I can only stand it this one way. So, now the print, though, I don't know what you do with this one. I guess it's just a print. I mean, you could put it on here. It'll stand here. Doesn't do anything else. It kind of doesn't stand, actually. But yeah, it doesn't do anything else. I mean, you can sit it in the front on the edges of the screws. That's about it. Can't really do much with that. So here's the art book. This is the Legend of Zamoria hardcover art book. Very nice. Good front cover. The text is hollow foil. We open her up, and now I'll show you guys some pages like I always do. So let's skip around. And you have the characters in the game. Yeah, I'm just skipping some pages. I'm not gonna show you every page. You know, those of you who have this limited edition NIS Amrica, I actually met Alexis Tipton in April. Yeah, April. She's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It seems like all the fan favorite characters are going to be in this game, which is awesome. There's a lot of characters in this game. It looks like, based on these pages. Got to talk to her, Carrie Keranen, who voices Sarah Valentine. Did that for 2020's Extra Life charity. Check that out on my channel. She's a very nice woman too. Yeah, so this is pretty much just a character profile guide. It seems like more than an art book, because usually art books also have concept art. And this book doesn't seem to have any of that. Oh, here's some art in the back. Okay. Nice art. Oh god, that's a little, well, looking closer at it, it's not as risque as I thought, but yeah, it's a little sensitive. A lot of pages to this book. That 2 pages there is 1 image. There you have it. That's the art book. Now we have the 3, 6, 9, or 3 and 9, I'm sorry. 3 and 9, A Trail's Tale. This is a legit book. Table of contents, there is 10 chapters, 107 pages. This, I believe, is the first time. Oh, it's a legit novel. It's a legitimate novel with some pictures in it. This is the first time I think a novel, or a light novel in this case, because it's like anime based. Like, so I believe this would be considered a light novel, maybe. Not 100% sure. I'd have to ask about that. Never got a novel, a legitimate book to read in a collector's edition to any of my video games. This is a nice touch. This is a really nice touch. I mean, this is really cool. This is definitely very different. That is really cool. I like this. I just wish the book was hardcover too, but it's not. And this cover actually does come off. So if we take this cover off, it really doesn't do anything. It's still the same book, same cover. Is it the same back too? It is. It's literally the same back. So you can take the book cover off. I guess it doesn't matter if you do or you don't. But we'll leave it on because it came with the book cover, so why not? There we go. Pretty cool. I actually really like that. Here is the steelbook case. I love steelbook cases. This is probably one of my favorite parts of every collector's edition. Is a beautiful steelbook case. And this is the back. And this is the inside of the case. Knock my print over. Okay, CD soundtrack as I thought. 10 tracks. Songs of Reverie. Again, I don't know if it's Reverie or Reverie. I'm going to say it's Reverie based on how it's spelled. I've probably been pronouncing it wrong. But that's the CD soundtrack. There's your track list on the back if you can read that. Probably can't read it because the daytime lighting not so good. And we will open it up. Normally I don't open things, but I want to take a look at what the CD looks like because I always like to show you guys everything, you know, that comes with the collector's editions, which includes having to open these up. OSTs are another thing I like to collect with my collector's editions. Now, not every collector's edition of a game I buy comes with them. Mostly, like, the anime ones do. But, like, the Mortal Kombat ones that I got, they didn't. Sonic, you know, the Sonic ones that I got, they didn't come with OSTs. Borderlands 2, the collector's edition of that I have, didn't come with an OST. Street Fighter 6 1 didn't come with an OST. Let's open up the CD. Now these cases are known because they're flimsy. They're known for coming off easily. Let's flip the disc around. So it's not upside down. I'm going to show it to you. And that's the inside of the CD case and the disc. And now the meat and potatoes, the game itself. Usually these things come with reversible cases. I believe this is the first Trails game on PS5. I don't remember. Actually, I do remember because I do have it with me. Trails from Zero is on the PlayStation 4. So I do believe this is the first Trails game on the PS5. Can't wait to play this one. Looking forward to it. Trails of Cold Steel games got me into the series. I think the storytelling in the games is absolutely fantastic. And I think they're great. I've had nothing but positive things to say about all 4 Cold Steel games. And I know all of the Cold Steel characters are in this game, as well as some characters from games before Cold Steel. Yeah, so we're going to open her up here, and we have some stuff in here. We have a booklet. You normally don't get booklets with these things much anymore. I have a digital soundtrack code, and the digital soundtrack comes with 5 songs on it, probably all on the OST. And yeah, it's as much as that as you're going to see. Otherwise, I mean, I probably have my code redeemed before I use this anyway. And then this is the manual. This is not a manual, it's a mini art book. Mini art book. So let's thumb through these pages real quick. It's looks kind of like quite similar to the big book. It's got some art in it, a couple of character profiles. Not many pages here, so we'll thumb through all of these. Look at that, we're done already. Boom, done. And of course the disc. Turn that around so you can actually see it. So there is your disc. And there is a reverse cover, as I expected. And I actually do like this one much more. Shows off certainly a lot more of the characters, much more detail to it. So let's put this on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Is that lined up properly? It looks like it is. No, it's ever slightly off. Ever so slightly off center. There we go. And that's what the reverse cover looks like. And this is the back of it. So, there you have it, folks. That is your Legend of Heroes Trails from Reverie. 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 I'm going to say Reverie. I don't know really how you say it. Yeah, so that is everything that it comes with. So we're going to put, well, we're not going to put this back in the box. Actually, we will put this one in the box. Maybe keep it still. I'll figure it out. But for now, we're going to put this stuff back in the box. We'll put this back in here. Of course, it's not all going to fit because I'm not putting the game case back in here. We do have to take these screws back off so I can put this back in here. And just so we don't lose the screws, I will screw them back on here, how they came out. Put our screws in the box. You know what, I could have put this back in the bag. Let's see, this should just be able to slide right in here. We'll save this one. Plastic insert. And there you go. There's your collector's edition with your game. Now we are going to put the plushies back in their bags so they don't get damaged, although this plastic is already ripped. That's alright. Probably easily one of my favorite collector's editions that I've ever gotten. Hands down. Actually, I put that one in the wrong bag. That's alright. Definitely one of the best collector's editions I've ever gotten. Mainly because it came with that novel. That was really cool. We don't need both of these packing baggies. Especially this yellow one that feels like it's been laying in a freaking dust bin for eternity. And there you have it. These actually tell you all of the character names. This one is Rogue C. And I did put this one in the wrong baggie, so this one is Little Hero Schwarzer. So this one is supposed to be Reen. So this one is supposed to be... Let me get these out of the way. So this one is supposed to be Reen Schwarzer. This one is Rogue C, which is why she's wearing a mask, because she's a rogue. And then this one here is Lloyd Bannings. So these are pretty cool. I really like this collector's edition. Really neat stuff, I gotta say. Honestly, I hope more collector's editions do stuff like this. I know that the Disgaea 7 one is going to have plushies as well. I think that one comes with 2 instead of 3. Because that one only cost $160 instead of... no, that one was $150 instead of $105. So yeah, I believe that one only comes with 2 plush figures. Yeah, really like this. This was really cool. Aside from the terrible customer service from NIS Amrica and their bad timing on changing shops. But I'm glad I finally got this. So yeah, I would say hands down one of my favorite collector's editions so far. So that being said, guys, check out the Derailed Gaming Live. He's been playing Final Fantasy 16. He's been playing Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity. He's recorded some new gaming content to upload for when he's on the road traveling for his job. Check all that out. And $1 a month on the Derailed Patreon as well gets you nearly 300 episodes of podcasting material, as well as all of the other Patreon exclusive content we've put up over the years on that platform. So all that and the links in the description box down below. Follow me on Twitch. Subscribe right here to the YouTube channel if you're not already. Greatly appreciate it. And Rumble as well. Rumble is a backup. God forbid something happens to YouTube. So check that out as well, as something just fell on the floor. Follow me on Twitch. I already said that. Twitter is what I meant. For social media especially, so you know when I go live and upload a video. And yeah, hit the like button on this to show me you like unboxing videos. You like to see these kinds of videos and this kind of content, because I like making them. When I get collector's editions, I can tell you right now, the next unboxing collector's edition video will be video game related. Will be Mortal Kombat 1 in September. I might do one for a Hatsune Miku figure that I have coming, which should be releasing soon. So I might do one for that as well. With that being said, I also have the Disgaea 7 one as well in October when that one comes out. So yeah, so you have some more unboxing videos to look forward to. Anyways, guys, with that being said, thanks for watching. My name is The Rose, and I'll catch your ass down the road.